Okay, we have our head here. So now we're going to seal it. We got it all sanded down. We got everything hooked up for the mouth and everything, so we know that's all working good. So now we want to seal our head. We also made 2 hands for this. So you can check out my videos, earlier videos called Hands and Feet. That shows you how I make these, if you want to go in and look at those. So we're going to use this regular wood filler, and I added water to it to make it a little more pasty, so we can so it'll spread easier. And the first thing we'll do, we're going to cover the entire head and the mouth, seal it with that, but we're going to cover these screw holes up first, so that has a little bit of a chance to set up a little more while we're doing this. Once we get the head all done, we'll let it set for a day or 2, and then we will sand it down, and we'll go back in and we'll touch up what needs to be touched up. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you get any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. Like I say, add a little bit of water to it, make it more pasty so it'll spread easier for you. Like I say, we'll cover all those screw spots up first. And then we normally work from, I always start from my center at the nose and work my way out from that point. Okay. So I'm going to start with this part in here. And don't worry if you, your highlighted cracks, you just take a little wood carving tool and clean them out after you get done sanding it down. So that's not a problem. What you can do, you can also put a little bit of water on your finger if you want to smooth it out a little more. You can do that. We'll cover this all, we'll let it set for a day or 2, see that it dries nice and good, and then we'll sand it down and go back in, touch up what needs to be touched up, sand that down, and then we should be ready to start with our base coat of paint. So we'll do this, and we'll do the mouth, and then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.